Hello friends, in this video tutorial, let us see the concept of Power BI Data Gateway. Now for the purpose of this video tutorial, what I've done is I've gone to Power BI desktop, okay. Then basically this is the database SSRSDB. Inside this database there is a table called total sale table. In this table there are 11 records, okay, and these are the product names: TV, cell phone, laptop and computer, okay. Now observe that for computer there is only one record and the value of item sold is 1, okay. Now I have gone to Power BI desktop and created a simple report, okay, simple bar chart based on item sold and product name. So the product names are visible over here: cell phone, computer, laptop and TV. And I have taken the item sold also in this particular graph. So we can see that for computer item sold shown is 1, okay. Then I have saved this particular file, okay, and then I have published this report. Now once I publish this report, then it will start appearing over here, right? So this is the Power BI portal. In workspace, in reports, this is the report, okay, total sale underscore report underscore 3. This is the report that has been published from here, okay. So once I click publish over here, this report is now then visible over here in the workspace as part of the reports, okay. Now the important thing is, what if we want to refresh this report, okay, and what if we want to schedule the auto refresh part for this report? Then for this we will require a component called, in the download section the components are available, right? So for this we will require a component called Data Gateway, okay. So how to download it? Go to this particular link and then download Data Gateway. So once you go to that link, this is what will open up, right? And then you click download gateway. So it will prompt you with two options: one is personal gateway and second is enterprise gateway. So select the personal gateway and download the file. That file will be available, okay. Now this is the file: on-premise data gateway personal mode.exe, okay. This is the file that got downloaded. It is a large file. It's around 48 MB, okay. So this is the file that gets downloaded. So you double click this file and install the on-premise data gateway personal mode, okay. Once this gets installed, then it will automatically ask you for the configuration. As part of the configuration, you need to provide the same user ID, that is the same email ID and password, with the help of which you access the portal, this portal, okay. So the user ID that you have used to access this particular Power BI portal, the same user ID and password you provide for as part of the configuration for this on-premise data gateway personal mode, okay. Once that is installed, then afterwards, after that installation, once you come over here, okay, once you come over here in the report section and you click this view related, okay, and you go to settings, okay, then automatically this will be shown, okay, online running on my PC, okay. And which is the type of this gateway? It is personal mode, okay. So automatically it will detect that the portal will detect that there is a personal mode gateway that has already been installed, okay, and it is online, okay. So you select this will be auto selected for any reports, right? Any reports that are available. For all the reports, this will be auto selected. So if you go to the first report also, this will be the auto selected option. For the second report also, this is the auto selected option. Now the important thing is, you have to go to data source credentials, you have to go to edit credentials, and then you have to put the credentials. Once you do that, then only you can auto refresh, okay. And then once this much is set up, you have two options: either to refresh manually, that is on click of a link, or you set up the auto refresh at some specific time intervals, either daily or weekly, okay. So if suppose you want to go for auto refresh on a schedule, then you go over here. This is by default off, so you make it on, you select either daily or weekly, and then you provide the time zone. If you want, you can also add another time at which you want to do the auto refresh, okay. So auto refresh is scheduled. Okay, now what if you want to refresh this particular report? Okay, so right now if we view this report for computer, item sold is 1. So let us go to the database table. We can see there is only one record for computer and the item sold is 1. So let us make it 10. Okay, so now the data has been updated in the database. Okay, so let us come back. Okay, let us come back. Now over here it will keep showing as 1. Okay, item sold as 1. So what if you want to refresh it? So you go to reports. Okay, in this case you need to go to the report section, total sale, go to this particular link, view related, and this is the link. Okay, now with the help of this scheduled auto refresh option, it will automatically get refreshed after some specific interval of time. But what if you want to see the refresh data right now? Then you go for this option, that is refresh now. The data gateway has been configured properly. Now it will auto refresh. So now close it. Now if you go to the report, you can see that now the value has been changed to 10. Okay, item sold has now become 10. So in this way you can configure the auto refresh as well as on demand refresh options using data gateway for Power BI. So I hope friends this video tutorial is useful to you. Thank you.